Hi, my name's Mike Crosby, Service Manager here at Windsor Mazda. We're going to talk about paint repair scratches today. It's summertime, so that means random branches, trees, other vehicles, bikes coming into close contact with your vehicle. Occasionally scratches happen. Now the question is, can you repair it or should you come into Windsor Mazda and have us handle it? The answer depends on the scratch. There are two main types of scratches: shallow ones that you can repair and deep ones that need professional help. The only scratches that are safe to handle by most people are the surface clear coat scratches. These scratches affect the top layer of a vehicle's paint job due to how they look and are often referred to as spider webbing to their appearance. These scratches can be recovered by cutting polishing material, an electrical orbital polisher with a buffing pad. Using this combination will not only remove the scratches, but even out the area in general. Now, for anything deeper than a clear coat level, it's best to have your vehicle handled by a professional. It will take several more steps to repair deeper scratches, and that is best done by someone who knows what to do. But what you can do is, if you find a scratch, first see if it appears like a spider's web. Those ones you can repair. Second, if you see the paint or metal, then take it to a dealership. If you happen to be in a position where you can't come to the dealership, here are some quick things to do. After all, you don't want to wait too long. The paint and clear coat are key ways to protect your vehicle from rust. Find a dual-purpose clear coat, all-in-one hardener combo, and spray it over the area of the scratch. If you want to know more, contact us here at Windsor Mazda, 519-735-2211, or schedule a visit online at www.windsormazda.com. We are located at 1155 Provincial Road.